What? Wait. Oh, there's counting. Okay, it's recording.
Okay, doing a race here. That's start line.
Little black thing. Zoom. Really slow zoom into the black thing. That is the start line.
Yeah,
Race has been mapped out. We have no map.
Yeah. We're gonna try to get a couple of cool shots. He's got his timer on his
Start watch.
watch that he bought for $10.
Yeah.
At the dollar store.
No!
You ready?
Start her up. Oh, wait! Turn it off! We just fixed Betsy. Why don't you explain what we did?
Oh yeah, it's true.
Betsy likes to eat tape on her spare time, so...
Yes.
So, yeah.
And we lost the bolt for this.
For the cover.
Yeah. So now the air filter is being held by a hose clamp.
2 hose clamps.
2 hose clamps. Now this thing will go back in. There you go.
Okay, back to the race.
Yeah.
Wait, how am I supposed to hold the camera and the timer?
I don't know.
Well, it's on my arm. Okay. Don't run me over there. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Following a mapped route. It's gonna take a while. That little dot, that's him. Victor, 42.75. That is his set time. That is my time to beat. We'll wait till Victor comes back. Focus, camera. Oh, I want to drive. Come here. I need space. Wait, here. I need to drive here. Okay, good. Okay.
Yeah, I got you. And
camera.
I was standard, and I'm lighter, and he has.
I'm 100 pounds heavier.
Yeah, he's 100 pounds heavier, and he has the automatic.
And an extra 50 cc.
Yeah, an extra 50 cc's.
Okay, Victor, you ran a 42.75. 42.75.
Okay.
It's recorded on camera.
Yes.
It's set in stone.
Let's get it.
Make it focus. 42.75.
Yes. Okay.
So you can't cheat. Okay. Reset. Let me take off my watch. Okay. Here's how you do it. I'm gonna line up. You do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah. You ready?
You go. You push that button. And
Okay.
once you come back, it's the same button.
You ready?
Let me line up.
Okay.
Okay. Let's listen to this bad boy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Mine has a custom exhaust, and his too. Go. Back up. Not on the start line though. No. Whatever. Oh yeah, and his is a Yamaha. Mine's a Honda. Advance. Okay. Stop. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Is he gonna pop a wheelie? Oh, close. Oh. He has no brakes, by the way. He's doing a sharp curve now. Curve, sorry. Here he comes, he's coming. We're currently at, so you guys can't see that. We're at 31 seconds. He has it on the floor. It's coming. Oh my God, what an amazing 44 seconds. 44 seconds, unbelievable. Here we go.
Okay, what did I run?
You did 46.65.
And you ran?
I did 44.75.
I could explain that. I was going fast, so I braked late at that turn.
No excuses.
I almost fell off. Okay, but okay, fair enough. Okay, you win.
Yeah.
Next time. Dun, 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 dun.